In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change a lock screen wallpaper on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need just to swipe down on our iPhone to head over to the notification center. Then long press somewhere here at an empty space, and that will activate that mode where if we swipe left or right, we'll be able to choose a wallpaper we previously created and used. Here I can select different one to set it as a wallpaper. That's how we can easily do so. And then if you want to create new wallpaper here, you should swipe to the very right until you find this tool. Here, if we tap at plus, we'll be able to create new wallpaper. Here we can select a wallpaper from suggested. I like that one. I can select it. Now we are setting wallpaper for the lock screen. We can swipe left or right to apply different filter for our wallpaper. And then if we hit add, it will allow us to set the same wallpaper to the home screen. To do that, tap right here at this blue button. However, guys, if you wanna set a different wallpaper on your home screen, you need to tap at Customize Home Screen down below. Then from here, let's say I wanna set solid color or gradient or photo from my camera roll. That's how I can select a photo. I can in the same way swipe left or right to apply some filter to that photo. And then also we can pinch it to crop that way. And once you are satisfied with the result, to apply the changes, just hit add done here, and that will create new wallpaper. And then if we select it, we can see that it is already set as current wallpaper for our lock screen and home screen. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.